Security cameras caught something impossible on the NYC subway.
The train that shouldn't exist, ambient subway wind plus distant read. New Yorkers know the subway is scary, but at 2:13 a.m., there's a train nobody talks about. Empty NYC station at night. Lights flicker, narration. The ghost lope, a train that appears with no sound, no engine, no brake, just sliding in like it's alive. Mia standing alone on the platform. One night, Mia was heading home. The station was empty until she saw the silent train arriving. Train doors open, inside, pure dark. Narration. When the doors opened, every seat had a shadow sitting in it. Human shape, but not human. Shadows all turning at once. And when Mia whispered, "Hello," every shadow turned its head at the same time. Doors slammed shut. The doors locked, and a broken voice whispered, "Next stop, last stop." Security camera footage, no train visible, only Mia stepping into darkness. Cameras didn't see the train. They only recorded Mia walking straight into the tunnel alone. Mia trapped inside. 2 days later, train appeared again. Mia was inside, banging on the window, screaming with no sound. Mia trapped inside. 2 days later, train appeared again. Mia was inside, banging on the window, screaming with no sound. Black. So if a train arrives with no sound,